Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 335, Security Agent. Keeping your Power Pages site secure should always be top of mind, and recently, Microsoft released some functionality that works in the background to keep an eye on your site, the Security Agent. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The Security Agent can be enabled from the Security Workspace in the Power Pages Design Studio. Right now, the agent can do two main things: scan your site automatically every 2 weeks, checking for common vulnerabilities, and monitor live traffic and alert you of any suspicious activity. Each of these two features can be enabled separately. Once enabled, you can choose how to be notified, either via in-product notifications, email, and Teams. You can also see any alerts on the main Security Overview page. Even though this feature is still in preview, I'd suggest giving it a try. It's unlikely to have any negative consequences, and it might identify things you may not have otherwise noticed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 335 on Security Agent useful.